guys, wala na ba'y maapta ng imong 20 pesos karon? O sige, atong patasan. I'm Laurice, your girl on the street, o ganiyata karon sa Sweet Street Pasalubong Store sa Lapu-Lapu City to find out kung asa maabot ang imong 50 pesos. Tara kay, gutom na!
I'm Cyrus De La Rama, proprietor and a host of Sweet Street. We started with plain and simple desire to service the underserved. And what are the customers that always underserved? Students. These are the people that requires healthy lifestyle because they are still in the journey to becoming successful in the future. So we end up looking at this target market. Number one, it's not pure business, it's about social responsibility. It is creating an environment where they can live a healthy life. Sweet Street come to this model of bringing affordable but with high quality food.
Kini guys, ang ilang products worth 50 pesos each. I repeat, 50 pesos each. O diba? Barato na kaayo. Ali, hilawan na nato.
Neil Cyrus De La Rama, aka Chef Neil. Ako ang manager at the same time chef diri sa Sweet Street. It started up with a pasalubong shop which is we serve our delicacies from Davao like durian candies, durian bars, everything else from which is made from Davao. Well, the quality of food and an affordable price as well. So, mga manay kasagaran ipangita sa mga tao. And I'll make this food yun na ilang quality good, more kuan yun siya, more unique yun siya.
I love the idea nga murag kuan sila ka ng natural ba? Clubhouse, let ng salad, more mo po akong ganahan ba? Affordable food kay 50 ra pod, as in 50 ra gid tanan price. So, mas affordable siya kaysa mga kag fast food. Nga ako atong gibalik-balikan diri is Cesar Salad and Clubhouse.
Okay, bawa na mo kung asa maabot ninyong 50 pesos ha? Kung mag-wonder mo balik kung asa maabot ninyong 50 pesos, just visit Sweet Street Pasalubong Store dinhi sa Lapu-Lapu City. Barato na o lami pa. See you sa atong sunod na food trip. Bye guys!